In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix list is empty error on your Amazon Alexa app. So if you're trying to add items on shopping list, but each and every time you're told list is empty, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this error. Most likely you are getting this error because your app has encountered a glitch or there is an issue with the app server or your phone. To fix this, there are quite a number of steps you can take. In the first method, you need to access the app info page to troubleshoot this. To do that, just go to your phone and look for settings. And from settings, go down to apps, and under apps, look for manage apps or all apps option. If you tap on this, now you'll see all your apps. Search for Alexa, or if you can see it, just tap on it to open its app info page. Here, first go to force stop app to stop any background activity that might be causing this, and then go to clear data and clear cache, and again clear all data. And okay, once you're done, restart your smartphone and now go ahead, open your Alexa app, and now everything should be okay. However, if this does not solve your problem, then you want to check and ensure that you are not connected to any VPN. If you are, or using any proxy, then turn off the VPN and try it again. But should this not work, then you want to check if there is any update for your Amazon Alexa app. For that, go to Google Play Store or App Store. So I'll go to Play Store because I'm on Android, and then using the search bar here, I'll search for Alexa. Now here, check and see if we have any update and update your app to the latest version. Using an outdated version can be the reason you are facing this error. However, if this does not fix your problem, then most likely it's because Alexa app has experienced an internal server error that will be fixed within some few minutes. So for that, you'll need to wait and try again using this app after some few minutes. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.